Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you were just passing by and it's your first time here, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos. Please like this video to motivate me to continue making videos and sharing information. Trust me, that's the only thing that I will ever ask you to do. I don't sell anything. Everything is free for download from the blogs, and everything, information and stuff that I share on this channel is for free. I don't ask you to pay anything. So like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Let's get into today's topic. So somebody asked in one of the videos about Forex withdrawals, how to do Forex withdrawals. It's kind of a tricky question because it depends on individuals. It depends on personalities, and every person has their own individual needs and their own motivation. But I'll try to relate to how I personally do it. So there are several ways how you can do your Forex withdrawals. Some prefer to withdraw a lump sum. Some prefer to withdraw bit by bit, little bits of their profits and things like that. So my approach basically is I do not usually wait to withdraw a huge lump sum. It works for people who wait to withdraw maybe $1 million. It's fine, and I think it's also fine that I can withdraw my $500 each time, because even if you are working out there, you know there are people who are paid monthly and there are people who are paid weekly. Some are paid daily, but at the end of the month, everyone has a total of how much they were paid. So why do I pay myself, say, weekly? I try to do weekly withdrawals. I try to withdraw some monies every Friday. So I have money for the weekend and I have money for stuff. But why do I do that? Why do I not wait the whole month for my withdrawal? So first of all, it has to do with my approach with some of these brokers. If you've been around forex trading, you know some of these brokers are scammers and things like that. And what they do is they make it easier for people to deposit money into their accounts. But when it comes to withdrawals, they make it hard. I think I mentioned it in one of videos. They make it hard. You have to jump all these hoops to make a withdrawal, but to make a deposit is like easy as that. So what that taught me is I would rather have problems withdrawing $500 than having to have problems withdrawing $50,000, if you get what I mean. So I make my small withdrawals in case the broker is a scammer. At least I have a warning when it's still a small profit. I don't want to discover that this broker is a scammer when the broker is holding my $1 million. That's one of the points. Then I also want to motivate myself. I want to keep motivating myself. So I'm a person, I love good stuff. I love good things. Who doesn't? If you're a forex trader and you don't like good things, then you're lying. The reason you are in forex trading is you want to make as much money as possible so that you can live a comfortable life. So part of it, why I withdraw every week is just to keep me motivated. I don't have to wait the whole month to realize my profit. So I withdraw on Friday and I have some money to spend the weekend. On Monday, I start all over again, making that money. This is not to say that people who wait to withdraw a lump sum are doing it wrong. Like I said, people have different approaches to things. If it works for you, waiting for the whole month or waiting for 6 months without a withdrawal, it's still fine. People have got different financial goals and things like that. Personally, I do a weekly withdrawal. So, whilst I do a weekly withdrawal every Friday, say this week I had $100 on Monday, and on Friday I grew it to say 300. I am not taking the whole amount out of the account. Basically, from 100 and now I'm at 300, it means I've got 200 profit. I basically take around about 150. So I leave the other 50 as part of growing the account. You get it clear there. So I'm not just taking the whole profit and just going out and spending it, because you also need to leave a chunk to grow your account. That's how you grow the account. So say you start the week, in my case I start the week with $100, and by Friday I made $300. 150 I take for the weekend, and 150 is left in the account. So that's the initial $100 plus a 50 for growth. Next Monday, now I have 150 to start with, and probably I take it to 400, and again I take out probably 200 and leave another 200 in the account. The following week, it means I'm starting with a 200. I'm no longer starting with 100. So that's basically my approach. I pay myself on a weekly basis. I said first reason, I do not to discover that the broker is a scam when the broker is holding my $1 million. Secondly, I like to motivate myself, to keep myself motivated. One way to do that is just to pay myself. Then I also said it's not like I am spending the whole profit. I leave part of the profit to grow the account. If you wait for your monthly payments, or probably you grow an account for a whole year without touching it, it's still fine. The danger though that I've seen sometimes if you do not withdraw your profit is, face it, people blow accounts every time. So what's the point of growing an account to $10,000 and watch it blow? So who is better off, me with my weekly $100 withdrawal, and you blowing a $10,000 account? I don't want to be a person who grows an account to $1 million and makes a mistake at 999,000 and blows the account, if you get what I mean. So yeah, leave a comment in the comments box below. I would like to hear your thoughts and how you approach forex withdrawals. Like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Until next time, bye.